Hello and welcome to All Taste German. In this video I will show you how to make wonderfully moist and chewy buttermilk rye rolls. They are not only delicious but also very healthy and are the perfect bun for all kinds of sandwiches and go very well as a side for soups. Let me show you how little work is involved. Add the flour, yeast, sugar and salt to a mixing bowl and blend briefly. Then add the warm buttermilk and knead for about 10 minutes. Cover the bowl and let the dough rise for about 30 minutes. Knead the dough briefly and form to a rectangle. Then cut it into 8 pieces with a dough cutter. Germans have all kinds of shapes for rolls, and these are in a rectangle shape, so there is a minimal forming involved. If you prefer smaller or round rolls, you can certainly form them to your desired shape as well. Slash the rolls with a sharp knife and sprinkle them lightly with flour. Cover the rolls again with a clean kitchen towel and let them rise for about 20 to 30 minutes. Bake the rolls for 20 to 25 minutes. They smell and taste amazing. I hope you will give them a chance and try this recipe. I'm sure you will love these moist and crispy buttermilk rye rolls. Guten Appetit!